Sissy Squad. In today's video, I'm showing you my rendition of clean makeup, and jumping straight into it, I'm just applying my lashes that I got from Marshall's. Marshall's just has everything from lashes to makeup brushes to hygiene products. I go to Marshall's for everything. So I'm applying my foundation by Too Faced in the color Chestnut. I love this foundation. This foundation has not done me wrong. So once something, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This is my favorite foundation. So I'm applying just one layer right now, but I typically do apply 2 layers of foundation just because I like my makeup to be flawless, full coverage, and I like that super simple makeup look where it's like, okay, she got makeup on, but she's not doing the most. So that is what you're gonna see here. Also, I will say that no, I did not do my eyebrows in this video just because I don't want to give you too much at once. Like, y'all gonna have to look into the makeup playlist, and I definitely have my eyebrows in there, but I have been using a very new and different like method of doing my eyebrows, and so I like them. Like, they look super natural, and I'm not doing the most. Like, you can see the brush like strokes in it. People ask me sometimes when I don't have like a full face of makeup on, they're like, okay, did you get your eyebrows like microbladed? Like, why do your eyebrows look so perfect? And I do have a certain way that I've been doing it, and you know what, I might need to do just a separate eyebrow tutorial for the girls because I just love my eyebrows. If you're not on TikTok, you need to get on TikTok because TikTok be dropping some gems. Like how to do your eyebrows nowadays is totally different than how I used to do them. Super bold, super thick. Now I love a natural look. So now I'm going in with my beauty blender. Really, it's a Real Techniques beauty blender, which I'm still stuck on Real Techniques. I need to try the actual beauty blenders inside of Sephora, but like I said earlier in this video, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So I'm just buffing in that foundation into my skin to make it more skin-like because that's how you get that flawless look. We definitely want to actually try to focus on that neck too and the hairline. Like, as long as those places are buffed in, I feel like my makeup is gonna be flawless regardless, but those are the areas that sometimes I be struggling with. So I'm not perfect and I'm not a makeup artist, but beauty blender, buffing in your foundation is essential, and really you can spend a lot of time doing that just to make sure your makeup is super flawless. So this is my rendition of highlighting my foundation. I'm actually not perfect, and I wish I could perfect this. Like, the girls have been doing something different with how they apply highlighter, and I'm trying to catch on, but I'm gonna need to watch some more YouTube videos. Like, I'm not perfect, and I'm just gonna admit that now. I know how to do a basic highlight, but I want my stuff to be more just better. So we're always trying to improve. If you've been doing the same makeup routine since 2014, you need to go look up some videos and just always improve. Like, there's nothing wrong with doing it a different way. I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier, but for foundation, or shall I say for a highlighter, I use a foundation color by Becca Skin Love, and the color is called Amber. So I use that for my highlight. I don't use a concealer anymore, even though, I don't know, like for me, when I was using concealer, it was too thick, it was hard to blend in. But I will say it made your makeup like long wear. But I don't know, I feel like Becca is like a nice brand of foundation. It's not a drugstore brand, so for me it lasts all day. It's super like full coverage, and it's something that I've been doing that I kind of like. So now I'm just taking this Real Techniques blender brush, and I don't even know if it's called a blender brush. Look at me thinking I'm giving a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. This is simply my clean makeup look, okay? And I'm just narrating it. This is not a tutorial. I'm not the person you need to get makeup advice from, okay? As y'all can see, because look at my neck. My neck is not the same color as my face. And I don't know if it's the lighting because I have a ring light on my face, or if it's really just, boo, did you really not get that makeup on your neck or not? So I don't even know, but looking at it straight on, I'm kind of mad. But yeah, I'm 80% sure it's just the light, the ring light being so bright on my face and not the rest of my body. And I'm gonna just go with that because no, no. But yeah, BH Cosmetic has some good palettes. I'm using their blush palette, and y'all saw I used their contour palette. It's giving quality, but I'm not like opposed to trying anything new. I just feel like BH Cosmetics is an oldie but a goodie. So now I'm just going in with this liquid lipstick by Milani Cosmetics. It's in the color Amore Satin Matte. If you guys don't already have it, it's super like easy to apply. It's a long wear, and y'all know liquid lipsticks are not going nowhere when you're eating, drinking, out with your friends. Get you a liquid lipstick if you want some nude lips. And then for the inside of my nude lips, even though I'm taking my time applying it, I do not have time for these lips to be crooked or me to be overdoing it. So for me, I do take my time and do my lips. And this is in real time. I did not speed this clip up. I probably should because why is my face looking crazy? But yeah, liquid lipsticks on the outside. And then, this is important, y'all. Listen up. Lean in. Foundation in the inside. If you don't want to use foundation, you can definitely use a light liquid lipstick or lipstick color. But for me, for this look, and it's going to tie together. Y'all saw that intro. I'm using a liquid lipstick. Then I'm taking my foundation on this brush right here and puckering up my lips to make them blend better. But this is how I'm getting my nude lips. And it took me a while to get this concept and to get this look. And I'm not gonna lie, like if you mess up like I did, which was applying a little bit too much foundation, all you have to do is get a little bit of the liquid lipstick and line your lips again if you want to. Also, if you want to make it look glossy, wait till they dry. Sometimes I actually use a little napkin to help blot my lips faster. But when they dry, if you want to apply some like clear lip gloss, that would be cool too. And this is the look. She's cute. What did I tell you guys? This is my clean makeup look. If you like it, please comment down below, like, and share this video.